Hi, Mr. Sam. This is Stephanie. Thanks so much for reaching out on my Facebook post. So in this video, I'm going to pretty much just compare your website to your top 2 competitors in the area. We're going to look at the front end and also the back end of the website. So the 3 things I want to talk to you about are content, citations, and backlinks. So Google likes to see at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content on your home page. We see that you have probably about 700 words of content, so you want to probably double that and make sure it's keyword rich. So taking a look at your top competitor, More Hands, we see that they have probably about 700, maybe 800 words as well. And then the second top competitor is Merry Maids. They have, probably about 800 words as well. So that's very beatable. The next thing I want to talk to you about are citations. So when we Google search the top keyword, cleaning service Houston, the first thing we see at the top are the paid ads. Right below that is the map pack, right here. And then below that is the organic section. So citations come to play in the map pack. And a citation is just your business name, address, and phone number listed in different directories throughout the internet, such as Yelp, White Pages, and even Facebook has a spot for a citation. It's important when you're entering your citations that you enter it exactly how it is in the Google My Business listing. So if you have a dash or an ampersand, you want to make sure it's the same in every single citation. So the tool that I like to use for that is called whitespark.ca. And we see that More Hands has 27 and Better Choice Cleaning has 42. So I recommend to just go ahead and get a Google My Business listing created and get it fully optimized with photos and a keyword-rich description, and then add 200 to 300 citations to beat your competition by a landslide. The last thing I want to talk to you about are backlinks, and a backlink is how you're going to rank here in the organic section. And a backlink, simply put, is just one site linking to another site. And so the tool I like to use for that is called Ahrefs. So when we're looking at More Hands, we can see that they have 7 referring domains, giving them 14 backlinks. We see that Merry Maids has 47 referring domains, giving them 131 backlinks. And taking a look at yours, we see that you actually don't have any data and you're not being found for any keywords. So let's take a look at some of the keywords so you can get an idea of the volume. So Houston Maid Services, there's an average of 300 searches a month. Cleaning Service Houston TX, there's another 350. Cleaning Services Houston, another 500. That's the same one. Maid Service Houston TX, another 200. So you can see that there is a lot of searches that you're not being found for because you don't have any keywords on your site and you're also not being ranked for anything. So that is definitely something that we could fix for you. Get you outranking your competitors, get you more backlinks than they have, and ultimately get you in that #1 spot for those top keywords. Just to do a recap for you, we want to go ahead and get at least 1,500 words of keyword-rich content added to your home page. Go ahead and get a Google My Business listing and get it fully optimized with photos and a keyword-rich description, and go ahead and add 200 to 300 citations to beat your competition by a landslide, and then go ahead and get you some relative trustworthy backlinks to show Google that you are the authority in your niche and ultimately get you to this top spot. That's it. That's all I got for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, and thanks so much for watching this video.